Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather and this is Supply Junkie. So I'm moving on from the last video. I'm doing the daily layout with, once again, Design Lovely Studios. This is her design I used to make this kit. And this is the daily layout that I made. And with all the craziness that I've had with trying to film today, I think I'm going to do the A5 later on tonight or tomorrow, early in the morning. And I made this just to go on this page, just to cover. Let's see. And I didn't really measure or anything, I just made it real quick. But I figured a little cover page to put some like resolutions. Oops, that's crooked. Stuff like that on. Which I very well could have just done it on the blank page. Which would probably have been easier than trying to lay this down. There we go. And I can actually next time bring that down. But this is actually starting on Wednesday, so I'm going to put that up first. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then the other 2 days I will put in my old Hobonichi, finish off that planner. And today has just been filming and fighting the camera. It's just been a relaxing day for the family. They're playing cards right now while I'm doing this. Let's see, let's use gold. There we go. And then we will cover up this to-do. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to use a record. And then I will write next the videos that I get done today. And then, let's see, started filming about 9. And then I took a break because of the craziness with the camera and doing that return label. That took me about an hour. And then we are going to edit before I go to bed, after we eat dinner, get what I can edited. And then, let's see. Today is the 1st. Oh, and you know what? It was a big sheet that I put the... 1 second. I did a big script sheet. Okay. And then we go on to the next day, which is the 2nd. We're going to put this up first so that I can get this 2 off my finger. And then, let's see, probably should have saved the gold for this one, but we're going to go ahead and use black. Okay. And then tomorrow, I am making the piggy cage liners. Probably start that about 9. Each one takes about a half hour to make, and I'm making 4 of them. Okay. Oh, maybe that's what I had another one. Maybe it was to film, but I'm not sure if I'm going to film or not. Let's see. We need this. Okay. And then I made guinea pig stickers. I'm trying to grab one here. I'll put that down to mark the cage liners. Let's see. Let's use, if I could get it off here, this one right here. So it looks like s'mores. And I think we might be having more surprise babies. I think our white one, Savannah, I think she might be pregnant too, but we can't quite figure it out yet if she's pregnant or if she's just chubby, because she's been a chubby girl. And then I want to show you guys this real quick. It's from Paper Squirrel Co. She made it for me. I won it. Lone Star Planner Girl was doing a drawing, and I won this. So I'm going to put these sheets that I've made for like the guinea pigs and stuff. And she sent me free sheets, but she put my initials and everything on it. So I'm going to pop these in here real quick since I have them out. But I love making these little sticker binders, because if you're going somewhere like vacation, and it's so quick to just grab these and then go on your way. Put in there what you need. And the way she has the pages in here, it's like the backside of sticker paper, so that you can actually stick your stickers in there and then peel them back off and reuse them. So that's really neat. And then let's see, I better do some laundry. I don't know where I put my laundry ones. What little book they're in. I've got stuff kind of strung out here. Got kind of frazzled with the camera. And didn't get reorganized before I started again. Oh, right here, cleaning. So let's see. Better get some laundry done. Make sure the husband's clothes are all washed up. We're ready to start packing. Do that in the morning. I don't think I have anything else going on this day. Let's put this Thursday down. So that's what I've got going on that day. And then Friday. This is the day that spending time with my husband, making sure that he's all packed, ready to go. So in the morning, that is the wrong color. That is not going to match. Let's see. Well, we'll use it anyway. I really don't like that, but we're going to use it. Just getting everything ready, and you know what I did? That's why it doesn't match. I used the wrong one. This goes in the other planner. That is Tuesday.